There is a hidden compartment in your washing machine that the manufacturer knows about, your repair technician knows about, and almost nobody who actually owns the machine knows about. It has been collecting something for months, possibly years, and what is inside it right now is directly affecting the cleanliness of every single item of clothing you wear. Today, we find it, we open it, and we fix it. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because this is the kind of discovery that makes you question everything you thought you knew about your own home. Let me ask you something that seems simple on the surface. When did your washing machine last smell completely fresh? Not the artificial fragrance of your detergent masking whatever is underneath, but genuinely, neutrally clean. And when did your clothes last come out of the wash feeling truly fresh rather than carrying that faint, inexplicable, musty undertone that no amount of fabric softener ever quite eliminates? Most people who notice these things assume the machine is simply aging, that this is what washing machines smell like after a few years of use. They buy more scented detergent. They try different fabric softeners. They run an occasional hot cycle and hope for the best. But the smell returns. The clothes continue to carry that faint staleness. And the actual cause, sitting hidden in plain sight in a small panel on the front of almost every front-loading washing machine, remains untouched, unexamined, and unknown. The hidden filter, what it is and why it exists. Every front-loading washing machine contains what manufacturers call a pump filter, sometimes labeled a coin trap or debris filter. It is typically located behind a small rectangular access panel at the very bottom front of the machine, often concealed behind a kick plate that most owners never think to remove. Its purpose is genuinely important. As water drains from your machine after each wash cycle, this filter catches everything that should not enter your drain pipe. Coins, hair grips, buttons, lint, tissue fragments, pet hair. The accumulated debris of every wash cycle your machine has ever completed. Finding it. The step-by-step discovery. Pull your washing machine slightly away from the wall so you can work comfortably in front of it. Look at the very bottom of the front panel. You are looking for either a small rectangular door that opens on a hinge, a circular cap that unscrews directly, or a kick plate panel that clips off to reveal both a drain hose and a filter cap behind it. On most machines, it is there. It has always been there. And once you know to look for it, you will wonder how you ever missed it. The clean, simple, thorough, transformative. Take the filter to your sink, hold it under warm running water, and use an old toothbrush to scrub every surface. The mesh, the threads, the cap, the housing cavity the filter sits in. Remove every trace of lint, debris, and residue. For filters with significant buildup or discoloration, soak in a solution of warm water and white vinegar for 15 minutes before scrubbing. The vinegar dissolves mineral deposits and kills the odor-causing bacteria embedded in the filter material. The bigger picture. Here is what genuinely strikes me about this. The washing machine filter is a perfect metaphor for so many things we ignore in our lives. It works silently in the background, doing something essential, collecting the things we would rather not think about, until the accumulation becomes impossible to ignore. And the fix, when we finally face it, is almost always simpler than the avoidance made it feel. 20 minutes, a toothbrush, some warm water and vinegar, and a machine that functions the way it was always designed to function. You have been washing your clothes in good faith for years, trusting your machine to do its job properly. And your machine has been trying, genuinely trying, while working around a filter that nobody ever told you needed attention. Today, that changes. Find the panel, drain the water, remove the filter, clean it thoroughly, reinsert it, and feel the quiet satisfaction of understanding your home just a little more completely than you did this morning. Because the best home maintenance is not complicated or expensive. It is simply knowing where to look. If this revealed something about your home that genuinely surprised you, hit the like button right now. It means more to this channel than you know. Subscribe and turn on the bell so discoveries like this always reach you first. Share it with someone whose washing machine deserves to finally work the way it was designed to. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.